In this video I will show you a speed test of the Seagate FireCuda SSD NVMe drive M.2. It's brand new, first time it's powered on, and I will also compare it with the NVMe from Samsung, but this one is a PCIe 4 and the Samsung one is PCIe 3. I got it installed in the computer and I'm running a speed test here, Crystal Dismark, and the speed is pretty good, 6400, 6500 even sometimes for read, and 5.8K for write speed. Now this drive is rated 7000, even 7300. I saw some specifications. We are finished with the testing. Didn't get to 7000, maybe not this model exactly. The Seagate FireCuda. Yeah, it's installed, ready to go. Swap the C drive and the H drive. Because this one is faster than my Samsung drive, I will swap this one. I will use this one as a system drive. In a future video you'll see how I did it. Current system drive. The C drive is the current system drive, Samsung SSD 970 Evo Plus. I will swap it to the Seagate FireCuda SSD 1 terabyte. This was the test, speed test. This could be more, but I don't know why it's... Maybe my motherboard is not so fresh. Okay. Here it's a high-speed version of the test, and you see everything, how the system looks like. The disk usage, this is the H drive, this is the Seagate FireCuda on the H drive. 6400, and even now I get 6100 on write speed, so it might be because of my system. I don't know. Write in the comment section below why you think it's not reaching 7000 megabits per second. I also installed it in the slot 2 on the motherboard, and I'm not sure if it's great, but when I looked at the manual of the motherboard, it didn't really make a difference. They were same speed, slot 1 or 2, and the slot 1 was under the GPU, and I really didn't want to take out the GPU and everything. This Seagate FireCuda is the version with the heatsink. Here you see the Samsung NVMe drive. It's a PCIe version 3, so that's why you see the lower write and read speed, 3.5K and 3.2K. It's without heatsink also. And that's why you will notice that there is no drop in performance even after it's being used at maximum write speed or read speed. The speed is constant. That's why you would want to have a heatsink version of an SSD. Usually the SSDs without the NVMe drives are without the heatsink. They have a sticker on it, and if you remove the sticker, they say they void the warranty. So if you install a third-party heatsink, it's a bit more difficult to put it on top of the sticker, and it's really better to get one with the heatsink built in if you need constant maximum speed. If it doesn't have a heatsink, it will reduce the speed at some point.